Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John. Usually what we do on this channel is all about promotion, discounts, sales items, stuff like that. On and off, I do an unbox and a review of certain items, and sometimes I do maintenance on my car. So if you're into saving and into technology, you've come to the right channel. And just sit back, relax, and enjoy. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if the video has helped you some way, somehow, and if you liked the channel, make sure you subscribe for more videos. Okay, other than that, let's get to today's video. So what you're looking at is the Milwaukee. This is the M12 FUEL 12-volt lithium brushless cordless hammer drill and impact driver. And with this one right here, it does come with the impact wrench. Okay, so the price for it is $359, as you can see here. However, now on and off, Home Depot does provide like a free tool, and if you add it together, you're gonna see you can see the breakdown of the price. So I actually added to the cart already. So we're gonna view the cart, and then it's gonna show you reflect the price inside the cart. So as you can see here, it gives you a breakdown of the item. So like the first one, it's from $359. It goes all the way down to $253.70. And on the for this one right here, the cordless ratchet, it's well, I added the highest price, which is the ratchet, because it's valued at $149. Okay, so they do have other Milwaukee tools too for at a lower price, which I didn't add. I add this one to make the price of this one lower. So as you can see here, now the breakdown is $253 and $105. So what you do is, or what I do is, if I don't want this one, then I'll just ship to store, and then this one I ship to home. And once you place the order, and if you get the confirmation, then you can cancel one of this, or you can just do, sometimes they have like available for pickup immediately within 2 hours. You can do that as well, but I guess for this location they don't have it. You can try other location where it's you can go to the store and pick up, and then this one you just after you get the confirmation, and you go back and you just cancel this one. So that way, if you don't need this tool, you're going to end up only $253 for all three of these little ones, which is a really great price, by the way. So if you guys are a Milwaukee fan, or if you're using Milwaukee lines, I think this is a great savings. If not, if you like both of them, then you pay for $349 there, and you get 4 tools and a bag, a charger, and 2 batteries. Okay, let's see what type of battery does it come with. Probably a 2 amp and a 6 amp or a 3 amp. Let's see, two. La. Where is it? I should say somewhere 2 batteries. Let's see what here it is, right here. 2 batteries here. It doesn't tell me the size of the battery. And the tools are 5 years warranty, and the battery is 3 years warranty. So actually this is on this side right here. Is right here. I think the battery maybe like maybe 2 amp and then 6 amp. I'm not really sure. I can't really see exactly where it say that, but I know for sure it comes with 2 batteries. Okay, so I'll list all the information in the descriptions section part. If you guys have any questions, leave in the comment below. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.